Have you ever been on vacation, all excited to chill in your hotel room and catch up on your favorite show, only to open your streaming app and get that dreaded message? This content is not available in your region? It's the worst, right? You're paying for a subscription, but suddenly, just because you crossed a border, you're locked out. It feels like your digital life gets stuck at customs. This happens because of something called geo-blocking. Basically, streaming services, online banking apps, and even some news websites use your IP address to figure out where you are in the world. If you are not in a country where they have the rights to show you content or provide a service, they block you. It's not just about entertainment either. This can be a real headache if you need to access your bank account from back home and it flags your login as suspicious because you are in a different country. You could be locked out of your own money when you need it most. I learned this the hard way on a trip to Southeast Asia. I was really looking forward to unwinding with a specific series I'd been binge-watching. I had the whole evening planned, snacks, comfy hotel bed, the works. But when I tried to log in, nope, access denied. I tried everything, but my IP address gave me away. It was so frustrating. I just wanted a little piece of home, a little familiarity after a long day of sightseeing. And it felt like my own services were working against me. So how do you solve this and get your digital freedom back? The answer is simpler than you might think: a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. Now, I know what you might be thinking: VPNs. Aren't those super technical and complicated? Not at all. Think of it like this: a VPN is a secure private tunnel for your internet connection. When you connect to a VPN, it masks your real IP address and gives you a new one from a location of your choice. So, if you are in Spain but want to watch a show that is only on the American version of your streaming service, you just open your VPN app, select a server in the United States, and hit connect. In seconds, it's as if you're surfing the web from a cafe in New York. All those websites and apps will see an American IP address and give you full access. It's like having a passport for the internet that lets you be anywhere you want to be. But a VPN does more than just unblock content. It also encrypts your internet traffic. This is a huge deal, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi in places like airports, cafes, or hotels. These networks are often not secure, making it easy for others to snoop on your activity and potentially steal your personal information, like passwords or credit card details. With a VPN, all your data is scrambled, making it unreadable to anyone who might be watching. It's a powerful tool for protecting your online privacy and security. Whether you're at home or halfway across the world, choosing the right VPN can feel a bit overwhelming since there are so many options out there. They differ in speed, the number of servers they have, security features, and of course price. Some are better for streaming, while others prioritize security. To help you make an informed decision, I've put together a comprehensive guide on how to choose the best VPN for your needs. It breaks down all the key features to look for and even has some of my top recommendations. You can find the link to that full guide in the description below. It's a complete educational resource to turn you into a VPN pro. So next time you're packing your bags for a trip, don't forget to pack your VPN. It's an essential travel tool that ensures you can stay connected, entertained, and secure no matter where your adventures take you. You'll never have to see that content not available message again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make your digital life easier and safer. See you in the next one.